Hello and welcome to 180 Day 70. Today is the day where we start talking about your options for what comes next. Day 74, you should have a coaching call set up with your trusted coach where you can go over the options that I'm going to talk about in the next 4 days and really choose what's best for you. Now, I already prefaced a couple days ago that there's 4 options: the Evolve, the Crave check, the build your own meal plan, and the maintenance. These options are in addition to you choosing to just do the 180 again. I want to give you some variety and I want to give you some other choices. But if you feel like you're in a groove and you want to go back to the beginning of the 180, there is nothing wrong with that either. So that is an option for you. But there are so many different directions that you can go based on what your goals are now. So let's talk about the first option today, and that is Evolve. Evolve is a 6-week program that we have developed that includes your Advocare regimen, and we start getting into what's best pre-workout, what's best post-workout, and there is a workout regimen that is included with Evolve, just like with your 180. And then there is a meal plan. But the meal plan is a little bit different than what you have seen. You've been doing a cycle. You've been doing a burn, a refuel, and a cut day. And it changes, right? So that we've been boosting your metabolism with that way of cycling your carbohydrates. In the Evolve, we do it differently. As we increase your energy expenditure, we increase your caloric value, and that helps to boost your metabolism even more. Now, we have 2 different Evolve programs for you to choose from. We have Evolve Weight Loss, and we have Evolve Elite. Which one would be best for you? I'm going to talk about in just a second. If Evolve would be best for you, is this one question I want to ask you. Have you been doing the 180 workouts? If you have been doing the 180 workouts, then Evolve, the Evolve program, is the best next step for you. If you haven't been doing the 180 workouts, this is probably not the best step because we're increasing your meal plan caloric value as we increase your energy expenditure. If you're not following the workouts, you're not increasing your energy expenditure as we're going. Okay, so when you're choosing what's best for you, if you've not been doing the 180 workouts, this is probably not the best option. If you have been doing the 180 workouts, this is a great next step option. It's going to give you variety. It's going to be a big change up. It's going to be fun to do something new and different. Now, the Evolve Weight Loss is if you still want to lose weight. If you still have any weight that you want to lose, you would do Evolve Weight Loss. If you are at your goal, if you are ready to tone and sculpt and not to build big muscle, but really to sculpt and tone and shape your body, then you're going to do the Evolve Elite. You will build muscle in Evolve Elite. But remember, over the last 80 days, we've talked about how having lean muscle tissue burns calories when we're sitting here doing nothing. And so we want to have lean muscle tissue so we can eat more. So don't be afraid, ladies, of that Evolve Elite. It's a great program if you have reached your goal. So that is option number 1. Tomorrow, I'm going to teach you option number 2, which is Crave check, as you're deciding which one of these options is best for you, for your goals in what's to come.